Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of crafting an airtight disclaimer for your YouTube videos. A well-crafted disclaimer provides legal protection and ensures transparency with your audience. So let's get started. Step 1. Clearly identify who you are. Mention your full name or the name of your channel at the beginning of your disclaimer. This will help your viewers easily recognize and locate your channel. Step 2. Specify the purpose of your content. Explain that your videos are for informational, educational, or entertainment purposes only. This will help set the right expectations for your audience. Step 3. Include a statement of responsibility. State that the information in your videos is based on your personal experiences and opinions. Inform your viewers that they should always do their own research and consult professionals for critical matters. Step 4. Customize your disclaimer. Add any necessary additional clauses based on the specific nature of your content. For example, if you provide fitness advice, mention that your viewers should consult a doctor before starting any exercise regimen. Step 5. Make your disclaimer visible. Add your disclaimer to the description box of every video. You can also include it in your video intro or outro to ensure maximum visibility. Remember, crafting an airtight disclaimer is essential to protect yourself legally and maintain trust with your audience. Stay transparent and responsible. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. As always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time.